Hello, Talentless Maker here with an unboxing video. I've not done one of these yet, so this will be my first. Before that, I'd like to thank everyone who subscribes to this channel. I've just passed the first anniversary, and all the goals that I set when I started this channel, I beat. So over 100 subscribers, which was my goal, and 50,000 views, which on the grand scheme of YouTube isn't a lot, but for me, it is. Thank you very much for everyone who's subscribed, anyone who's commented or sent me a message. Thank you very much. All your kind words for my talentlessness. But please keep following. I've got a lot planned for this year. So a couple of quick builds coming up. I've got a Gremlins diorama and a model of the Sulaco from Aliens. And speaking of Aliens, the big project for this year is a cosplay outfit, and that cosplay outfit will be the Colonial Marines armor and full gear from the film Aliens. Yeah, it's a big project, and it's probably going to take me all year, if not more. I've already started the print runs. That's going on nicely so far. So the first video for that, the introduction and setting out everything I'm doing, that will be up in the next few weeks. And it's a build I'm really excited for. I never thought of myself as a cosplayer before until I decided to do this. And now I have. I'm going to embrace it. I'm going to embrace my inner cosplayer. Anyway, let's do the unboxing. So this is something that is going to expand my tool range. It's going to go into a new material, wood, and it's going to help with a project coming up of my Fire and Ice chess set. So this is going to be, I've already done the prototypes. Again, there'll be a video on it coming up soon. And that's going to be a product I'm going to sell, and I'll need to do the wooden case for the whole set. But yeah, so this is going to help with that. So let's see what's in the box. And no, it's not Gwyneth Paltrow's head. Let's open it up. Be careful with scalpels, kids. I have cut myself on many occasions. I don't plan on doing it on this video. Keep the blade away from yourself. Yes, I did buy this from Mr. Bezos. No. Ooh, it's got a handle. Here we are. So it is. Isn't she pretty? Yeah, it's a Dreml Portable Saw Station. Good for cutting up the little bits of wood. Let's get her open and see what she looks like. Oh, my boxes fell over. Yeah, the cats can play with that. Okay. First impressions. That is a tough plastic case. Yeah, looks pretty good. Might not have enough room to open her up on here, so I might have to do it that way. Let's do that. Ooh, I did open it the wrong way. There we go. That's the business end. The actual Dreml saw. So, and instructions. One sheet of paper. Guessing it's self-explanatory. I've not cut wood up for a while. there. Ah, an instruction booklet. With instruction booklet with pictures, because you just won't trust the talentlessness. Okay, to get at this instruction booklet, you have to open the case. And window number 1 in the instruction booklet is to open the case. It's already open. Ooh, these sides open up too. How do these open up? Do they just slide up? Aha. Ooh. Lots and lots of stuff. That's the charger of. So that goes in there. Oh, there we go. It goes like that. And this side must open up as well. Okay, there we go. Okay. So. Let's take the bits out. And then I like this. This is nice. A little dry white section, so you can put dimensions and notes and drawings of genitalia on there. So this adjustment here for the depth. Don't know how accurate those measurements are. And your angle of cut for mitres, 0.45. And you got your miter stop, 45 degrees. So we chop some wood. It's probably just at the limit of that, but let's see. Made some noise. Made some sawdust. Look at that. That's a cut. That's a good cut. Now I'm going to have to hoover all this up, which I will do now. Woohoo! Well, I think that was a successful test drive. Oh, okay. So if you haven't worked out what this is a Dreml miter station. Small works. Yes, it does have dust collection. Dust collection there. Good to know for future. Interesting. So as well as the saw, the miter station has a couple of clamps, a sawhorse to extend the sides on this side, dust collection hole, and on this side, got various bits. Something else. I've not quite worked out what that is for. Yeah, just raises the bed up on that side for that one. So I'm as talentless at unboxing videos as I am at anything else, I assume. This is going to come in very useful in the near future, and it cuts wood. It cuts wood really well. So this is going to be used by me to cut miter corners for boxes, for the case of the chess set. It's going to be in hardwood, maybe. Says it cuts hardwood. Also cuts softwood, laminate, and plastic. This is got a laser pointer. I didn't notice that. How do we get that on? How do you turn the laser pointer on? Does it come on automatically? I think you have to turn it on. Doesn't say on the pictures how to turn the laser on, so I'm clueless. Okay. Apparently there's a switch at the top. Ah, there you go. Yeah. Golly, that is good. Don't know how accurate it is, but that is good. So when that plate to 45 degrees, I'll show that. That's cool. Power tools terrify the life out of me. Don't know why. Probably because I've not much experience with them. Better turn the laser off. Here we go. But I'm looking forward to use it. Kinda. And that's it. It's a box with a saw on it that cuts wood and other stuff. And I'm going to use it to cut miters and other stuff. Boxes. I like this. I like it a lot. I would give it a thumbs up. But I don't know how good it is. It's the first thing I've ever owned. It's my first wood power tool I've ever owned. And it's tiny. And it's cordless. And it's a Dremel. But I like it. See you next time. Bye.